Hello and welcome. In today's video, we will learn alphabet J and its sound. Alphabet J sound is Ch. CH Ch. Repeat after me. Ch. Now I will write J here. J. It's similar to alphabet Jim. J. And its sound is J. Alphabet J and the sound is J. J. Now pause the video and try to write it. Excellent! You did a great job. Now I will give 3 examples of alphabet J in Urdu and after that in English. J, Chidiya. In Urdu, Chidiya, and in English, sparrow. In Urdu, Chand, and in English, moon. In Urdu, it's chai, and in English, it's tea. Now let's revise the complete lesson. Alphabet J, its sound is Ch. CH Ch. In Urdu, we say chidiya and in English, we say sparrow. In Urdu, it's chand and in English, it's moon. In Urdu, chai and its meaning in English is tea. If you like the video, do subscribe the channel for more educational content like this. See you in the next video.